Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are about to embark on a serene journey through the world of coastal decor, a style that brings the soothing ambience of the beach right into your home. Picture yourself by the sea, the gentle waves, the salty breeze, and the calming color of the coastal. Coastal decor captures this sensation and translate them into your living space. In this video, we will explore a treasure trove of coastal decor ideas that will inspire your inner decor and help you to create rooms that radiate beachy bliss. Let's dive into the enchanting world of coastal decor. Seaside color plate. Discover the coastal color palette featuring serene blues, sandy neutrals, and sea foams greens that evoke the quality of the ocean. Nautical elements. Explore the world of nautical decors, from ship wheels to anchor motifs that infuse your space with maritime charm. Beach inspired art. Learn how to incorporate beach inspired artworks, seashell arrangements, and driftwood sculptures that celebrate the beauty of the shore. Beachy furniture. Discover furniture pieces that reflect coastal living, such as withering wood tables, wicker chairs, and breezy textile. Coastal lighting. Explore lighting fixtures that emulate beachside serenity, like sea glass pendants, lights, and rustic lanterns. Natural materials. Dive into the use of natural materials like jute, rattan, and reclaimed wood to create an organic coastal vibes. Relaxing texture. Explore the use of soft texture like sisal rugs, curtains, and plush curtains cushions to create a cozy coastal atmosphere. By the end of this video, you will be immersed in the beauty of coastal decor and equipped with inspirational and ideas to transform your space into coastal heaven that captures the essence of beachfront living. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you will not miss